And we'll start there. So with that at 0, we can come back to the channel side, the input side, and talk about how the signal flow passes. You could pretty much say that the sound flows like water would, downwards, down through this channel, you know, gravity and all. You've got the signal coming in on the cable. The first primary piece that you have to deal with is it's a coarse volume control that they call gain. Each little movement, the reason it's called coarse or coarse gain is that each tiny little movement that you make here produces a big result. So, you know, the difference between that volume and this volume is pretty significant. That is as opposed to the fader down here, which is, you know, what we consider the fine volume control. So if I make a little movement here, it's going to be hard to notice that. You know, a tiny movement here is not going to make as big a difference to the overall sound and the volume that's output as up in the gain knob a small movement up there would make. But basically, the gain knob back up here is the first step in setting the best level for whatever the source is. So if we plug the mic in here and the singer starts to talk in that microphone, this should be your first. This would be the first thing you really touch. Okay. This is how you're going to basically optimize the gain of the signal.